Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, I'll just be putting on some M Sport mirror caps, the carbon fiber ones. But I'm also going to be changing my mirror glass. So I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but this one, that one's good. And that one is heated as well. But this one here, it's kind of like, when I'm looking at cars behind me, it's kind of like purple. I don't know why, but you know, it's been like that since I got the car. So I've always wanted to change it. I got a new one here. I'm hoping it matches with that one, and I hope it fits, because online it says it fits, but I've seen that a lot of people, like, it doesn't fit for them. But this is what they look like though. It's carbon fiber. You have the glossy black ones as well, but yeah, I definitely went with the carbon. You can see it's pretty clean. But yeah, so I'm just gonna start off. I'm gonna put my phone on a head mount thing so you guys can see what I'm doing, and yeah, hopefully it doesn't take too long. I'm gonna use my little pry tool thingy. You're just gonna pop that under there and get it out. You know, easier said than done, but I'll put you guys on my head mount thing so you guys can see what I'm doing. And hopefully this doesn't take too long, you know, because I'm thinking like 20 minutes max, you know, so let's see about that. I can kind of see under there. I don't know why it's not coming out though, because it's pretty far off, but it's just not coming like out of it. But yeah, this thing's taking really long, so I'm actually just gonna get it off. I won't make the video like too long, so I'll just get it off, show you guys what it looks like after I get it off, like if I break it or not. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys once it's off. All right, literally as soon as I stopped the video to say I'm gonna get the thing off, I got it off the first try, but I did break it. Look at it. It's kind of like shattered all over. But like when I popped it out, it didn't break immediately because it popped out pretty far. So I'm like, okay, I can just pull it off. As soon as I started pulling it, it just got like all shattered all over. But like, if you guys want to know what you should do, like, should you take the glass out to get the mirror cap off? I would say don't take the glass out. Just pull the mirror cap off if you can pull it off without taking the glass off, because you know, it's pretty easy to break. Like, I wasn't even like pulling it hard or nothing, and it completely shattered. So take it from me, don't pull the mirror cap off. Just don't pull the glass out, just pull the mirror cap off. Yeah, you might break the old one, but you have a new one, so you know, it's better to do that than to break your glass, because yeah, that's not really important, because what you guys are here to see is the mirror cap. So you know, fuck the glass, I have a new one. But yeah, I'll go watch a video, see if I need any of these connections, and then I'll get back to you guys once I have the mirror caps on, or once I'm taking them off. So to get it off, all you have to do is press these clips and pull it off. You know, that's the easy part. But yeah, so for the next side, I'm definitely not gonna be taking out the glass because I know I'm gonna break it. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys in a sec. That's what I'm showing you guys right now. I'm just gonna clip these two things together, pull it back, and just kind of like push it out a little bit. And this one, so these little clips, so that one, pretty sure it's just these two. Yeah, I think it's just those two. Yeah, so you just gotta clip it in, you know, squeeze that there, just to kind of like release it. There, that part's kind of out a little bit. You know, this part is not a problem, because you know, if you break this, it doesn't matter because you're putting on the new one. That one's kind of out. I just got to do this one again. Oh, now that one's back in. Funny. You know, this is like some raw footage, because I know most people wouldn't show you them failing like this. I can't even get a fucking mirror cap off. Let me try to get this one now again, because that one closed in. Think I got it. Nope, it's back in again. Fuck's sakes. But yeah, this is my first mod on the car. You know, I'm pretty excited for it because a bunch of mods. This car's gonna be a completely different car next year, but I wasn't gonna do any mods to it yet. But you know, I'm like, why not just do this so I can make a video on it as well. Damn, that shit's hard to get out there. Finally, unless there's another clip that I didn't know about. Yeah, I think that's it. I should just pop this right off, I think, at least. Or is there another clip on the bottom part? I don't think there's another clip on there. I'm looking, but I don't see one. So I'm guessing I just pull it off. It doesn't matter if I pull it off because most people don't even go in this part to get it off. Most people just rip it straight off. I think I'm good to just pull it off. Oh, there, yeah. There wasn't a clip there. It's just, oh, there was actually 3. One of them was already not in though. So yeah, that's whatever. Damn, that shit's dirty. I should probably clean that, but it's freezing out, so I don't even think it's worth cleaning. Damn, no wonder why my mirrors don't work. That shit's bad. But I'm just gonna leave it though. I'm gonna leave it as it is because I am not trying to clean that. It's freezing. And this is just clipping, you know, you just look for the clips, line it up, and you're good. Damn, this is gonna look good, especially with the gray car. Damn. Getting everything lined up. I really don't want to break it, so I'm being very gentle with it. There, that side's coming through. I think I just play around with it a little bit more. Or that's about it, right? I think that's the fitment. Oh yeah, I think I got it. Damn, that looks so much better. Damn, it looks a lot better. Look at this side. So this side is the side without it, obviously. And then let me just take a look at it to make sure it is sealed the same. So there's a little bit of a gap between there. So that's normal. Let me just check this side to make sure it's the same. Yep, same amount. You know, this gap is a little bit bigger, but then again, it's not the OEM thing. So you know, that's good enough. Maybe I could close it up a little bit better, I think, or maybe not. I don't know, but that's all right though. Like, that's the least of my problem. You know, it still looks pretty good. All the clips are through. Let me just see if it can come through a little bit more. Maybe I could pull it on a little bit better. I don't want to fuck around with it too much and break it. Oh, there. I think I got it in. Oh, there. Now it's through better. Oh, yeah. The gap is like the same as the OEM style now. There. So you just got to shove on it a little bit. You know, just push on it a little bit harder. So the clips come right through just like how the other one fits. I didn't know if it was going to fit the exact way because it's an aftermarket part, but it does. So just make sure this little part, this little seam right here on the bottom should line up with this one. So you just line up the clips inside, you know, push on it a little bit. It's not going to break, you know. It's not like the mirror glass. So yeah, just push on it a little bit and then you're good to go. So now it should look much better. Damn, that's nice. That's the first one on my car. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this glass on, then I'm gonna pop that mirror cap off. All right, so back with the camera mount on my head again. I'm gonna be taking off this side. Let me just roll the window down over there. Yep. So I'm gonna be taking off that side, but what I see a lot of people do instead of taking off the glass, like I said, I thought you just like held it and just ripped it off, but no, they actually use this thing and rip it out. So I think that's so much easier, and at least I won't break this glass. See, I wish I was gonna order both glasses. Like, I was gonna order that glass and one for this side, but I'm like, this side is good and I think it will match, but it's a lot different. So I wish I got it, but now I'm just gonna have to buy another one. So this, I'm just gonna rip this one out. Yeah, they say it's gonna feel like you're breaking it, but you're really not. So yeah, if I break it, I don't care if I break it. I just don't want the glass to break. But if I break this part, you know, oh damn, it's kind of already coming off. Look, this is so much easier than taking the glass out. So yeah, if you guys are doing this, don't take the glass out because you're gonna break the glass. Just take this thing out. Look, it's so much easier. Look, I'm already getting it. That's so quick. Well, I got some kind of seal here, whatever this is. Damn, this is so much easier. But I had to take that glass out either way because I was changing it. But damn, yeah, if you guys are doing this, just get yourself a little tool like this. I got this tool in like a box for some other part that I had, like the Lexus I had before this car. I don't remember what I got, but I got this tool in the box with the Lexus, so I just kept it. But yeah, it's so much easier. Like, it's already almost off. You know, if I break it, I don't care, like I said, because I know I'm not gonna put it on back. There. And I didn't break it. It just came right off. I didn't break it. It's so much easier. Literally, like, I haven't even been there for a minute. Wow, why am I coming back on this side? I'm so dumb. But yeah, that's so much easier. Damn. a million times easier. But I'm gonna be taking this out soon though. I won't make a video on it because, you know, that's no fun to take out. But yeah, I'm gonna change it so it matches that one. But this now, at least now I know how to put it on. So this side is way easier to put on than the other side. So like I did, I just line it up. Line it up like that. And I put the clips through. Oh, I can't see when the clips are through though because I have the glass in. But I mean, once it's lined up, then the clips are through, so you don't have to worry about that part. Let me see. Just trying to get a good angle. There, I know that one is in. That one is in now, yep. You can see, and there's a big gap that I had, and now I just gotta shove it in. And there, it's pretty much done already. Damn, that was quick. That's so much faster than the other side. When you know what you're doing, it's so much easier than when you're just like going at it for the first time, not knowing what you're doing. Just want to make sure it's clipped in because I heard this side click. But yeah, I think it's perfect. But yeah, look at that. Let me just take the phone off the head mount thing so I can actually show you guys it better. Yeah, so there it is. Carbon fiber M Sport mirror caps. That's so nice, so much nicer than the stock one. A lot of people get the glossy black, but you know, I'm going full carbon on my car. So that's pretty much it for this video. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I didn't tell you guys about. I don't know, I think that's it though. But yeah, you know, it looks so much better, way more aggressive. It looks so good with the gray car. That's why I went carbon fiber. You know, glossy black looks really good too with gray cars, but I think the carbon looks better. I don't know, but you know, I'm just going with carbon this time because why not? There's a good look at it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, it's small mods, you know, the first mod on the car, nothing crazy, but you know, it all starts somewhere. But yeah, that's about it for this video, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. See ya. Look how much better that looks. Damn.